Hi, in this video I'll show you how to export your game data to usable format. Okay, so you need to type here the title, author of the game, company, description of the game. Now you can select here the path where you want to export it. This is the desktop. If you want to pick it up, not right there, so if you select the folder here, you need to pick the one you want on the right panel, so it will show here. So press cancel because I wanted to export this to desktop. Here is if you want to create a directory. It will create directory with the game title on the desktop. So we want this. Now you can change cover and logo image by left clicking and choose the image, and again this dialog will pop up. Okay, and once you're happy with this, press save config and then save poem. If you change the cover, go to the start page, it's gonna be here. It's thumbnail the Aischylos use, and the title of the game is also from export. So keep that in mind, and when you type the author here, press this button. You can modify author's description. So here's the description, here's the job description, his website, phone number. When you press add author, it will copy all of this, and you can modify it and press apply. For example, and if you modify like now, here you press apply and press save. It doesn't need to save with the poem because it saves separately. Sorry. So here you can delete the current author and delete all. If you want to delete the image, press this button. It will reset. And left clicking, enter the URL or drag and drop from the desktop. Okay, but I don't want to modify it, so let's leave it. Now we have 4 export types. JSON, it will export all of the objects, character, items and others to JSON format, and also achievements. And there will be generated 2 files, one with object data and second with achievements data. Next we have the viewer, and the viewer is more complicated one. I will show you in a moment. HTML exports all data to HTML, characters, story, achievements, maps, everything, so you can show it to someone. And story to ink, it exports all the dialogues to ink that you can modify. So you can do it all at once or separately. I will show you each behavior when export. So let's press export. Data successfully exported. Okay. HTML. Let's wait a second. Okay. Game design was exported. Story to ink. Export. Now, do you want to export images for ink as well? If you do it, the images will be in the folder next to the ink file, and they will show if you render them to the web. Export them to the web. So we want the images. Okay. Now the viewer. Let's select the viewer and press export. Now here you can select which page will be shown in the viewer. Now if someone has the viewer, you can export the poem alone and select, for example, character and items, but I want to send this with the viewer so someone will have no trouble to open it. So let's export this. Poem was exported. Now let's go there. Okay, and here it is, JSON format. Achievements. You can see it's all 3 achievements that I have there. All objects, names, description, appearance, everything. Ink. So this is for the Inkle editor. Let's open this. And you can see it's everything is a choice, even the first node. So if you don't want this, you delete this arrow and it will proceed from this to the choice and so on. This is the image URL. So there are double dots there. So when you compile it to web, create the folder here and it will automatically pick up the images. Okay, let's go back. HTML. Let's go to intro. Here's the Brave. And here's the intro. Welcome. This logo of the company will show up here. Let's press continue. And here's the main page. You can see it's everything there. Game description, contact for the author, characters. You can look around. Now the viewer. Let's actually export the viewer with the poem. Poem is here. And once you launch it, it will automatically open this poem. And you can see that we have those 2 tabs that I exported, characters and items. You can't modify it, you can't save it, nothing to do with this. You can just view this. To open different one, go to start page, click it or drag it from the desktop. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.